Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight. Show me that you love me too. Put your
You might think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the babies. So what you doing tonight? Better stay doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing. I don't wanna keep you up, but show me can you keep it up? 'Cause then I'll have to keep you up. So baby I'ma keep you up. I've been drinking coffee, and I've been eating healthy. No one got sticky, don't get sticky. Baby, can you stay up all night? Ready for 35. Can you stay up all night?
Time lock these up.
You're
not gonna find something.
just like what
Right here, the room. Can you stay up all night? Go, go, go. Come on, JJ. You want to go? Serenity, let me and Jaden get on that. Okay, wait. Let's deeply bring it back so we could get on that one, okay? Let's see, go. Oh my God, don't do it standing up. Okay, me and Jaden. Right here.
Watch out, you gotta make sure you go down that road.
Okay. We'll keep an eye out.
That's probably gonna happen to me.
How was that, Nate?
That's probably gonna happen to me though. I'm scared now. Oh, okay. This isn't gonna go well. Did they lose the ball?
Yeah, did you find it or what?
No.
Then why did you ask?
If you see one, he can't come out. You see him? He's all smiling. Ready again, Jaden?
Push him.
Why do you push him?
Go, Nate. Turn it the other way so that way the mud's at your feet. Whoa, look at Junior.
Did you guys see how far I slid down?
Go, Nate.
Fast snow.
How was that, Nate? I should have brought my backpack. I have hand warmers in there.
I'm going down.
Come over here, June, so I can push you.
No. Scary enough.
You're going slow like a turtle.
Doesn't matter.
You go down like that on the fresh snow.
Go down on the fresh snow.
Yeah, so that way it goes faster. Like right here. Shh. Go. Put your feet in the bucket. Let's see if you go. You gotta go. So that he goes all the way down there.
Oh, my feet.
Ready?
Yeah.
Why would you do that? Why do you keep doing that? Stop doing that. It's not funny. Tell Daddy it's not funny. Dad, I'm gonna fucking... I wish I had gloves to throw a snowball at him. This way, Papa, come on. This way, come on. Oh, I need gloves. He rolls off that. Dad has fun pushing us down. You want to go by yourself?
No, what?
You want to go on that one?
Yeah.
Don't be scared.
It's eating me.
Huh?
Eye.
Your eyes?
Yeah, a both eyes. Like that.
Let's find another hill.
Where at? I looked over there. There's nothing on that side.
Come on, Jaden. Go.
This hill sucks.
Oh my god.
Push you.
Hell no.
Sit on, Nate. Let me push you.
Put your feet in the bucket, Nate.
Push me.
He's still going. Put your feet in. Look at Nate. Now to walk up. Nate went all the way down there.
Come up here more. Ow.
No, JJ.
You won't go, Junior. You're not gonna go nowhere.
Dad has to push you, June.
Come up here, June.
He's scared.
Nowhere.
He's scared.
Get in with JJ.
No, you don't want to.
Come on, JJ. Get in.
Let's go, Puppy, me and you. You want to go with Mommy?
Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back till you see it back, yeah, back till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the. If you could see it from the front till you see you in the back, yeah. You like it thick, you like it fat, yeah. Like it keep on wanting more. He asked me, Georgia, where you at, huh? And I wanna know how long it take to pull my pants up. Poke a finger, nut and some. Tryna squeeze into my true religion, that no. Celebrate, don't wanna say you like it. I don't buy it with a say you like it. He said the body unbelievable. Can't trust that bigger than a Gemini. Keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that pump. That natural beauty, beauty. Yeah, yeah. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the back.
Straight right there.
Till you see it from the back, back till you see it from the back. If you could see it from the front till you see it from the back.
When that ass overdose, you bring it back. I'm a big dog.
Oh, there it is. I see it. It's running. See it? Yeah, it's right there. Look. It's way back there. So I'm gonna come out through there.
Sometimes you won't tell me don't with no dish, you know. You got it, yeah, you got it, baby. Bust it on the floor.
There it is, look, there it is. I told you I was gonna come out through there.
Missing someone